Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of the ZTE Blade A35e. And this is the box. As we can see. It's not too fancy, but yeah, it looks good enough. We get the 64 gigabytes of flash memory. Maybe there is also an upgrade version. And 6 gigabytes of RAM, which actually doesn't mean that we get 6 gigabytes inside. We get 2 gigabytes, and it can be extended by another 4, which will use our flash memory in order to store the RAM data in it. We also get the 5000 mAh battery, 6.52 inches large display, and 8 megapixel rear camera. So let's get that unboxed. I think I only need to open the top part. It should slide right out of this box. And inside, let's slide all the things out. First, the accessories. So yeah, if I have it already in hand, let's see them. And we get something that's pretty unusual, which is a screen protector. This is a foil, not a glass, but it's very highly appreciated by me that you get a screen protector in the box of your phone. Then you also get a warranty card standard, the quick start guide, and something unusual as well, which is a clear silicone case, which I'm gonna put on in a moment, but let's get to the phone. So here in the phone, let's take it out. It has this sticker which looks sort of like a display. Let's take that out. And this is how the phone looks. It has one camera and a flashlight. It has a mini jack, which is also unusual, a SIM card tray, which I'm gonna open maybe in a moment to see if there's an SD as well. And let's turn that on. And while it's being turned on, we also I can see two other things in the box. They might have fallen out from this tray. So this is the USB-A to USB-C cable, which is also pretty unusual. You usually get the USB-C to USB-C, but if you have a USB-A brick at your house, then probably this is gonna be a really good cable for you, since you don't need to get the USB-C brick, because this phone doesn't include a brick inside of the box. Now we also get the SIM card tray opener. I'm gonna try to dive into that box and get that yet. So this is the opener, and this is how the phone looks. This frame at the bottom is quite big, but it's also not that bad. I think that this is probably a fingerprint reader on this button, since the case has a special cutout for the power button. And I'm not gonna set it up now. You can see that the viewing angles aren't too great, but if you're looking up front, it doesn't really make any difference, and most probably you'll use your phone up front. So this is how it all looks. As I've promised, I'll also open the SIM card tray to see what's in there. Let's get the opener. And inside we get a very packed SIM card tray. You get 2 SIM slots and 1 SD slot, so you can use all these 3 cards at once. That is also very unusual. And this is all about this phone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.